Which invention replaced handwritten letters as main communication? A. Telegram. B. Email. C. Fax. Email. Which company invented the first touchscreen smartphone? A. Nokia. B. BlackBerry. C. Apple. Apple. Which invention led to the creation of Wi-Fi? A. Lasers. B. Satellites. C. Radio waves. Radio waves. Which invention revolutionized global navigation? A. Compass. B. GPS. C. Radar. GPS. Who invented the World Wide Web? A. Bill Gates. B. Tim Berners-Lee. C. Steve Jobs. Tim Berners-Lee. Who is credited with inventing the printing press? A. Johannes Gutenberg. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Galileo Galilei. Johannes Gutenberg. What was the first item ever scanned with a barcode? A. Milk bottle. B. Chocolate bar. C. Wrigley's chewing gum. Wrigley's chewing gum. Which material made airplanes lighter and faster? A. Steel. B. Aluminum. C. Copper. Aluminum. Which invention helped people record and replay sound? A. Phonograph. B. Radio. C. Cassette. Phonograph. Who invented the first practical light bulb? A. Nikola Tesla. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison. Which everyday item was first made using Velcro technology? A. Shoes. B. Airplane seats. C. Zippers. Shoes. Which invention made long-distance communication possible in the 1800s? A. Telephone. B. Telegraph. C. Radio. Telegraph. Which invention led to the modern refrigerator? A. Steam cooler. B. Icebox. C. Water pump. Icebox. Which invention led to online banking and digital payments? A. ATM. B. Credit card. C. Cryptocurrency. Credit card. Which invention first allowed live global news broadcasting? A. Radio. B. Television. C. Cinema. Television. Which everyday device uses Bluetooth technology? A. Smartwatch. B. Wireless headphones. C. Wi-Fi router. Wireless headphones. Which toy was originally made to detect submarines? A. Yo-yo. B. Frisbee. C. Slinky.